Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to explain a very useful but often overlooked feature found on most e-bikes. This feature is the walk assist mode. If you ever struggled to push your e-bike uphill or across a difficult path, this feature is made exactly for that. But what is walk assist mode? Walk assist mode is a low speed mode that lets the motor move the bike at about 5 to 6 kilometers per hour, which is the same speed as walking. Instead of pedaling, you simply press and hold a button on the e-bike display and the bike will move forward gently. So I'm having here the S866 connected to my e-bike. This LCD display is the most common for several brands of e-bikes, and here I will demonstrate in practical how to use the walk assist mode. Okay, basically what you need to do is look for the minus button, press and hold. So usually this function is already inbuilt of your e-bike. You just need to discover which is the button that will activate and which detail you need to check before use the walk assist mode. So here I'm having press the minus button and hold. Then we can see that you have the P letter that indicates the walk assist mode. And also we have the speed of 5 kilometers per hour. That is the same that a normal walking, that you can push your e-bike very easy walking next to the bike. Okay, so if you release the minus button, the motor will immediately stops. Okay, one detail that is very important is regarding for the gear of assist that you need to set in your e-bike to use the walk assist mode. For example, if you have selected the assist mode, the gear number 1, and then you press, despite of the have the letter P, the motor did not start. So basically the walk assist will only works when you have the motor disabled. Means that in case that you try to use the throttle, will not start the motor, and even if you try to pedaling, also the motor will not start because the gear is in 0, and this is required to use the pedal assist mode. Probably this is for safety matters, to avoid any problem to the bike run away when you are not riding. The final thoughts about walk assist is a small feature, but it makes a big difference in the real world use. Whether you are climbing a ramp, maneuver in tight space, or just dealing with a heavy e-bike, this mode makes things much more easier and safer. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.